Hello, and how are you doing today? I'm fine, and today we are going to paint the pebble painting. I already started. I told you in the previous video we are going to start together, but we didn't. Sorry for this. But today I want to try to do the half of this part, and then we are going to watch the end results. What do I think of this pebble painting till so far? I like it. I already told you in a previous video that I think that pebble painting is more nice for cartoon paintings and paintings with not a lot of colors inside. And till so far, yeah, it's pretty nice. This is the sun. Actually, I don't know what this is. I think it's some kind of shell, but I don't know. The sun continues here, then there is a leaf coming here. I bought those papers to put on it and not having the foil. Actually, this foil is quite thick from our own brand, but I like to paint more with those papers on top. You can just buy them actually at a lot of stores. You can use them on both sides, so that's easy. The only thing that they come not in a bag, just so they come all separate. And you can buy them by 10, 50, 100, 200. So I bought a pack of 100 of those things. It's those papers, and yeah, you can find them actually everywhere. The only thing is, yeah, they are coming just like this. So you should put a bag around it yourself, or keep them in a diamond painting box, suitcase, whatever, how you call this. No, not a suitcase. In this storage thing, because when they get dirty or dust on it and you put them on your painting with the dust on it, the dust sticks on your painting and will not go off anymore. So yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like. But for now, let us start painting this part and then see the end results. So without anything else, let's start painting. This is the part that we have done, and I removed the plastic and put the papers on it. This is part of the leaf. You can see it very nice with those nerves inside, the dark line. Part of the sun we did with the spiral inside. This is the background of the painting. Another leaf will come here. And next time we will continue here and on the other side. So let me show you it from a bit farther away. This is what we have done. It's really sparkling. I changed the plastic. I removed this and I put those papers on top of it. And I think this works easier. You can just order them actually everywhere. If you want to know where to order them, just send me a comment below or a message on Facebook, or just let me know. Yeah, let me know what you think of this pebble painting. I think it's nice. It's really sparkling, and I'm going to paint all my paintings pebble. No, that not. It's nice to do something else for a change, but I don't know if it gets really beautiful with all kind of paintings. What I told earlier in this video, I think it's nice for cartoons or paintings with not a lot of colors or a lot of details inside. So yeah, comment below if you want to know something else about this painting or about pebble painting. Yeah, let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you ever made a pebble painting. It's really super sparkling if you can see it like this. I don't know if you put it behind glass if it's still that sparkling, but this own brand diamond painting is really amazing. The top layer, the glue is super. There are no diamonds falling off. The canvas is not that hard, not really a problem, but I had thicker canvas in the past, and yeah, it's nice. So thank you for watching this short medium video. See you next time in the rest of this painting, and enjoy your own diamond painting. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done this yet, and you can also find my website in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.